What's up, everybody? This is Tanner from the School of Trading. Today I wanted to go a little bit of a different direction with our video. We're not going to talk about any strategy or any chart reading tactics or anything like that. We're going to focus more on the mentality of trading, or the psychology behind a lot of trading and why some of us in the past or present are not successful traders. Now, there are tons of reasons. I could list tons of reasons specifically why someone may not be a successful trader. But today, as you can see, I want to focus on just three reasons. 3 reasons you aren't a successful trader. Also, as you can tell, I clearly need to reactivate my Microsoft Word, but I'll get to that later. So we're going to jump right into it, and I hope this helps you to be able to realize internally some of the decisions you may be making that are hampering your ability to become a better trader. Okay, so number 1, we're going to go through this quick. It's going to be a short video. Number 1, you rely on others and don't take responsibility for your mistakes. This rely on others thing has become huge in trading. All right, there's tons and tons of newsletters out there that will promise you daily alerts, watch lists, a chat room, so on and so forth. And I personally have used a lot of them. All right, I've used a lot of them. And I can tell you there's only ever been one that I've used that has made me a better trader. All the other ones genuinely made me a worse trader because they did not enable me to become a better trader. Okay, I had to rely on them. I had to rely on them for my alerts. They weren't giving me any educational content or anything like that. And the problem with relying on others is you begin to learn not to take responsibility for the mistakes you make. Okay, you'll get in a trade that's alerted by someone else, and when it loses, you'll blame them because it was their alert. Okay, or even if you'll get in a trade, it goes up, but it didn't hit the profit target they said, and it goes down and it loses, you'll blame them because it was their alert. So the reality is, in trading, you must take responsibility for any decision you make. Any trade you enter, that was 100% your choice. And you have to accept full responsibility, whether it's a loss, a win, a break even, whatever it is. You chose to do that, and you cannot blame anyone else. Whether in life or in trading, when you learn to take responsibility for your decisions, you're going to become a better person, and you'll become a better trader. Okay? All right. Number 2, you trade purely off emotion and allow the highs of a big win and the lows of a big loss to damage your overall mental health. Okay, we talk about this a lot in our trading course. Trading off emotion is the worst thing. It will kill your trading account. It will kill your mental well-being as well. I've been there before. All right, when you rely on these pump and dump emails that promise you 1,000% winners, or you just get in purely off you feel good about something, you are wrong. You are making a mistake, okay? It is a difficult thing, however, to become robotic like you need to be. And that's something we talk about a lot, is training ourselves to be robotic. And it takes time. And there's always going to be a little emotion involved in trading, but there's ways to manage it. That's what it's all about, learning to manage your emotion. Okay, if after a win you're getting up, cheering, and getting excited and telling everybody, there may be some things wrong with the way you're doing things. And after a big loss, you're becoming suicidal. Also, there may be some things wrong. I've worked with some traders literally who have put themselves in situations where one trader literally said he needed to have a win today to buy formula for his children. Okay, if you're putting yourself in a situation where you need to win a trade to provide food for your family, you should not be trading. Okay, go out, get another steady job, and come back to trade when you have a little extra capital. Do not put that kind of emotional stress on yourself. All right, the more you can free yourself of emotion, the better a trader you'll be. That's why you'll learn, if you start, a lot of us, I myself, you start with small accounts, $1,000, $5,000, whatever it may be. The emotion is a lot higher with a small account like that. You'll realize, however, as your account grows, as your account gets bigger, and you learn the fundamentals now, when you have 50,000, 100,000, all of a sudden there's not as much stress. Okay, that doesn't mean you become an emotional trader. You still have that discipline, but suddenly a small loss doesn't crush you like it may in a $1,000 account. Okay, so we have to program ourselves to not trade off emotion and to become robotic. And we talk about that a lot. I'll continue to talk about that. It's not something you can just do overnight. There are certain techniques that we'll go over to do that. All right, the last one, 3. You have no plan, and when you do have a plan, you fail to follow it. Okay, you hear that mentioned a lot, trading with a plan. What does that mean? Trading with a plan, it's could be very in-depth. Our #1 video is the psychology of trading in our course, and we teach you how to trade with a plan. Okay? Essentially, you need a profit target, you need a stop loss, you need to know what strategy you're using, why you're using it, and so on and so forth. Okay? If you enter a trade off a whim, it is a mistake. Okay? You need to have a plan. You need to know this is exactly why I'm entering this trade. It's breaking a double top on the chart, or it's bouncing off resistance, and this is my profit target, this is my stop loss. Okay, and when you have a plan, you need to honor it. You need to honor your profit target. Okay, or you need to honor your 10%, 5%, 15% stop loss. A lot of people, because they trade off emotion, going back to #2, a stock will hit a stop loss, and they'll get in their mind this idea that, oh, you know what, it's going to rebound, so I'm just going to hold it a little longer and hold it a little longer. One of my first trades ever, went from a $2,000 win, because I didn't honor my profit target, slowly down to a break even, didn't sell, down to $200 down, $300 down, $400. Eventually it was down $842, I believe, which was a lot for my account. And that was because I had no plan, and when I had a plan, I did not honor my stop loss. Okay, so if you can just get these 3 things ingrained inside of you as a trader, you will be able to take your account to places that you never imagined. All right, right now, a lot of us, the worst enemy in trading is ourselves. This is not a team sport. This is like mixed martial arts, all right? When you get in the ring, you're on your own. You may have coaches who help you along the way, mentors who help you, but when you step inside the ring, it's every decision you make is on you. All your actions, you're 100% responsible. All right, so if anything, if you could just begin to ingrain these things into your mind, you will be able to become a better trader. Okay? All right, so those of you who haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to the video. We're going to do multiple YouTube videos a week. We have our trading course coming out in less than 2 weeks, February 1st, 2015. Those of you who want to reserve a spot for the first 100, send me an email, first and last name, to tannerstrading@gmail.com. I'll reserve you that spot. And those of you who are getting started, want to rely on the YouTube video for now, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to post a lot of educational videos to YouTube as well. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.